Hi, it's Todd with Learn to Grow Wealth Online, and today we're going to discuss how to do keyword research competition using Jaaxy, and we're going to also take a look at website competition. So I'll get you my credentials for Jaaxy so that you can log in and use my account, but we'll go ahead and log in here and take a look at the keyword phrase that we had for our example on training day number 2. So it's what is Business Success Alliance? And all you're going to be using here with Jaaxy is the search feature here, and we're going to be searching for keywords. So you don't have to worry about any of these other things here, and just we'll be plugging in our keyword phrases into this section here. So I've already put that in, and now let's just take a look at these metrics here. So this is the average, the monthly average amount of searches this keyword phrase gets. This is the amount of traffic that a website theoretically should get if they're on the top spot in Google. And this is the QSR, is the amount of the amount of competition that a specific keyword phrase has. So this is the amount of competing websites that a keyword phrase has. And then the KQI is just an index of how good the keyword phrase is. And so here we can see that all these related phrases are very good and easy to rank. And then the SEO score has to be above 90. So the most important things are that we've got a high SEO score above 90, a QSR score that's typically below 100, never more than 200, but we try to keep it lower than 100. And then I don't really worry so much about the average monthly traffic. I want it to be at least over 100. The more the better. And then don't even worry about the traffic metric here. So when we compare this phrase versus, for example, we talk about what is a product name? Is the product name a scam? Is the product name a pyramid scheme? Product name plus the review. So we look at some of those metrics in this example, and we can see with Business Success Alliance reviews doesn't have a lot of traffic. It doesn't make sense. The keyword phrase also has to make sense. Business Success Alliance review. It only has 32 monthly searches, so that's not much traffic, and it's got a lot of competing websites against it. So it's got a great SEO score, but just for the factor of the monthly searches and the competition, what is Business Success Alliance is a better keyword phrase. The same thing is with using is Business Success Alliance a scam. If we look at that here in just a second, we'll see that it only has 24 monthly searches. So it's got a great SEO score above 90, really low competition, but the monthly searches is lower. Also, what you'll find is that when you rank high for one keyword phrase, you'll rank for these other phrases. So I'm pretty sure that we rank for these in the top spot, if not the #1 spot. So that's the basics of how you do keyword research. You type in the phrase and take a look at it, and you can also use Google Instant, and come up with related phrases. And basically, I'll show you that real quick. If we take this root product and we put an A and just go through the alphabet, we'll get different phrases that are related to it. Some of this is a little bit related to my searches and so forth, but that's basically how you find some ideas for keywords. But at this point in time, we're just looking at the keyword research, and so we'll focus on that. And then the last thing is just to look at the keyword, or look at the website competition. So if we take our phrase, what is Business Success Alliance here, I've already searched it in Google, and you can see that we're the top spot at the #1 ranking. And then what I just want to point out in the training is that when you're doing and you're looking in the SERPs of Google and you're doing that research, take a look at the competition of the other websites out here. With a lot of these reviews, you're going to find that a lot of them are smaller websites that are wealthy affiliate websites. This one I know is, I've checked it out. And then what you can do is you can just go to the competition that's ranking and see what their domain authority is. So with this one, we can take this website, pull it up here, and I've looked at this site, and so I know it's a wealthy affiliate website, and I know it's not super strong as far as its domain authority. At least we have a higher domain authority. So if I go to this small SEO tools, which I've linked in the training, and I got that thrown in there. I've already done this. Yeah, I checked the authority already. You see that it's 23. So ours is 36 currently, and so it's easier to rank if you write a good quality article, but or outrank that competition. So that's what I wanted to show you about that. Also in the training we talk about avoiding competing against big websites, and a lot of times that's true, sites like CNN and Forbes, but other times it's not true if you write a really good article. I think this is a good example. Not sure if I have the top spot right there. What is an affiliate website? But here, Money, How Stuff Works. We outrank them. If you go a little bit further down, there's Neil Patel. He's huge. Even if you go to the second page, you got entrepreneur.com there. So Wikipedia. So it's not always 100% Forbes. It's not always 100% true, but that's some things to look at. The biggest thing that I look at is the keyword metrics. And again, I'm looking at what is the number of competing websites out there. I want it lower than 100. The lower the better. And what is the SEO score? Higher than 90, the easier it's going to be to rank in Google. So that's just what I wanted to show you at this point in time. If you got any questions, just send me an email. Thank you.